1. Enable BitLocker to encrypt your hard drive. 2. Use Windows Defender for real-time protection against malware. 3. Keep your system updated with Windows Update for the latest security patches. 4. Use Windows Hello for biometric authentication, facial recognition or fingerprint. 5. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your Microsoft account. 6. Use file history to back up important files automatically. 7. Lock your computer quickly with Windows plus L. 8. Enable controlled folder access to protect your files from ransomware. 9. Always use a strong password or passphrase for your accounts. 10. Install apps only from the Microsoft Store to avoid malware.